Okay, so look at this. We are now done. Can you pick it up and sort of rotate it around? Uh-oh.
Soccer ball.
Look at that. We've got that, and actually, can you grab the soccer ball?
Okay.
So you can see the pentagons, the white pentagons on the soccer ball,
Yeah.
and you can see some pentagons on our Zome tool shape.
And you can see how the sides intersect on the soccer ball.
Yeah, you can see how the sides intersect on the soccer ball. But isn't this amazing that this soccer ball shape comes from an icosahedron?
Cool.
Yeah, isn't that neat? And you can also see, which is actually pretty amazing to me, that even though the shape we made out of Zome tool is not round,
Yeah. It's close.
it's actually still pretty close to round. Now, the soccer ball they're using in the World Cup this year actually doesn't have these pentagons and hexagons. This is an old style soccer ball, but that's okay. So let me ask you guys a couple of questions. What do you think would be an interesting math activity to do? What other math questions could we ask with our truncated icosahedron, aka soccer ball?
Well, I don't know. Maybe we could make other shapes.
We could make other
We
shapes.
could try to truncate it again on these corners.
Oh, okay, that would be interesting. So those are things we could do. What other questions could we ask? What other sort of math questions could we ask about the shape?
How many of the sides intersect? How many of the pentagon sides intersect? The total pentagons.
How many total pentagons are there?
Yeah, and hexagons, and how many pentagons and hexagons share a side?
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Cool. I think they share 3.
And there's some other things we could count too, besides the pentagon and hexagon.
We could just count the total number of sides.
We could just count the total number of sides.
Or the number of sticks in it.
Well, yeah, this number of sticks and the number of sides would be the same.
Yeah. Yeah.
But there's one last thing too we could count.
Well, we could count the balls.
Yeah, we could count those are called vertices.
Cool.
So there's a lot of interesting math activities to do. And let me ask you one last question.
What?
Do you think if we counted, say, the edges or the vertices or the pentagons or the hexagons on the thing we made, do you think it would be the same as the soccer ball?
Maybe.
Do you think we've made exactly the same shape here?
No, because this is round.
Ah.
It's slightly rounder.
It's slightly rounder, but let's take a quick peek. Let's put it so there's a pentagon on top. Now, how many hexagons go around the pentagon?
Well, I've got 5 on the soccer ball.
Okay, does that seem to make sense? Why would you expect it to be 5?
Because it's 5 sides.
Okay, is that what we have here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
Okay, now, how many pentagons go around the next layer in the soccer ball?
Pentagons. You mean
In the soccer ball, see these ones one layer down, so I keep this one on top. Okay, how many pentagons go around there?
5.
5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So what do you think now? Do you think we've made exactly the same shape?
Yeah. If this was completely round.
Yeah, that's pretty close, right?
Yeah.
You know what else is pretty interesting?
What?
They're both filled with air.
Yeah.
All right, good job, guys. That was fun.